This is the TOOVREN brand drill-powered cleaning brushes. As you can see, it's a 4-piece set, and they have a 1/4-inch quick change shaft on them. I'll show you here. Just like that. It fits any standard drill, and if you have the quick change thing on your drill, then they go right in and out, no problem. They have soft nylon bristles, but yet they're sturdy. So if you see here, they're firm but give. You know, it's kind of like a medium type thing. There's different sizes here. This is like a cone-shaped one, as you can tell, and then you have the 3 round ones. The sizes of these, you get a 2, 3.5, 4-inch, and 5-inch brush. Great for cleaning tile and grout, good for the kitchen, bathroom, even the car, the wheels on the car. This would be great to clean that out with. So not that this sink is necessarily dirty, but what we can do, I just have some spray cleaner here, which we can spray it down with. And then we can take the brush here, and you should use sort of a slow to moderate speed. And you can go and scrub things out. There's actually a couple of spots over here, if the camera will make it out. And it took them right out, no problem. It's also great for areas like this. Spray that down a little, and take the brush, and you can see it fits right in, and could polish that right up. You can also use this on chrome and tile, travertine, stuff like that. And after a quick wipe with a towel, it should be good to go. And that area I just cleaned is looking pretty good. So once again, this was the TOOVREN brand drill-powered cleaning brushes. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll provide a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.